what's up? I'm Estelle. I'm the founder of Florida Van Life, and welcome to our latest build. It's a windy day out here, but come on in. Welcome to our latest. This is a Florida Econoline, and of course we have our swinging chairs. When you're out on the beach on a windy day, you're just chilling, you're good. You can take in all the custom, unique, one-of-a-kind mural up here. And we have our standard build look. This one's a little bit different. We went for a surf theme, and it's very exciting. We took a skimboard, used skimboard, and we made this the countertop. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. You will very likely be seeing more of these in future builds. And then we got creative with it and did a little salad bowl sink, which is fun. And then underneath here, we have the kitchen stuff. This one is a basic build. It comes with our standard, faucet that comes from here, and then it drains right outside. We have a cooler fridge here, so they can plug in, and it can be, if you're running off shore power or something, you can have this. Or if you upgrade to our off-grid battery system, then this can run. And in the meantime, it works great as a cooler. So you can put ice in there and cooler. Microwave, this works for when you're at a campground. You can have it. The good thing about this is you can stand up. If you're 5'1", then you can stand up in here. So it's like short kings only or small women, then it's okay. And then up here we have some art everywhere. And then, yeah, the unique skimboard. Let's see if I remembered to fill up the water this time so I can show you how the faucet works. I didn't. This is pretty standard. You press a button and it would go. Maybe next time I'll do it. Okay. Then up here, we also have another skimboard on the ceiling. We're going for a very surf theme. And then we have murals everywhere. So it's very beachy, very free-flowing. Instantly, right when you come up, you're like, okay, I'm at the beach. This van belongs at the beach. With that, it actually comes with the standard factory-grade insulation. So when we were cutting the skylight, we pulled it out and realized, okay, there's insulation in here and insulation behind the wall. So we built both these walls, and it comes with R30 insulation. I believe it's R30. It's the same type of insulation I use for the sauna that we have in the shop. So it's good stuff. I can attest to that. And it's unique wood paneling all the way across. And then we also have an AC unit here in the back. And that one runs off shore power. So in order for it to run, you're gonna be on a campground. Okay, so here I am in the bedroom area. The good thing about this one, it's a high top. So I'm sitting here comfy up in bed, and you still have room if you're not crouched up. That's the good thing about this, with still plenty of storage underneath. And we have our signature skylight, as of course, this is our standard move. We love doing that, because when you're out in nature and you're sleeping, you can see the stars, you can see the clouds. We love it. And then you can open up these doors and take in the sun or the sunset, sunrise, anything. I'm not gonna open them right now because it's so windy out. It would blow everything, I promise you. It would be crazy. Then we have these battery operated lights all throughout. Just takes AAA batteries, very easy to use. And it's good for it in the evening. It really lights up the whole thing, but not in like a too fluorescent way. It's a chill mood lighting type way. And then it comes with a little sleep machine as well. And a very basic battery. I'll show you. So this up here, we have an outlet that, maybe I'll just you can I should have done this, but you just put a power cord right here, and then you can be plugged in with the shore power. I'll show you outside. And then here we have a very basic mini battery that works well for, you can charge this anywhere, and it works well for the lights here. And then also it's basic USB. So if you're charging your phone or your laptop, it's good. This is way too small for anything else. It's just basics. For camping for the weekend, then you're good. You can charge your phone off that. Anything major, don't. Fridge, no. Microwave, absolutely not. Hair dryer, no. But something basic stuff, your backup is there. And it can also charge based on the front if you plug it into the cigarette lighter. All right, and then up here we have our toilet. This one, we always recommend using these toilets as a backup. In theory, you think that you'd want a toilet in your van. When I live van life, I never use a toilet in here because it's just kind of gross. It's a small space. We always do it just like backup, but we recommend using just go outside or use a bathroom that you can find, public restroom. I think if you haven't lived van life, you think you want it. If you haven't lived van life, you realize you don't want it. So that's my recommendation. We still provide it, but it's interesting for when I'm buying and selling these vans. Pretty much all the time when I get a van back, if people like live van life for a year or two, or if I'm helping someone else sell it, they'll be like, oh wait, this toilet we never used. So it's there in case you probably won't use it. And then we have high tops. There's a ton of space for it in the bedroom area and a lot of space underneath in the storage area. Right here, you can put so many baskets. You can put like paddle boards, fishing poles, kite surfing equipment. It's a big day out here, very windy, so it's good for kiteboarding, kite surfing, even snowboarding. I wouldn't recommend this one. This is a beach van, but you could take it up to Colorado if you want to go snowboarding. And yeah, anything else, any beach equipment you need to keep in there. Plenty of space for weekend warriors or actually even full-time living. There's a lot of space in there too. When you're in a van, you realize you don't need much and you like to really go minimalist. So it's pretty set up. I'm really proud of this one. I love it. I love the surf beach theme. We love the unique mural throughout the whole thing. It actually comes all the way from the front, all the way back here on the front. Eric will get the videos, and it's so we're just so proud of it. And we love doing these. So hope that this one finds the right home. And if you want to stay wild and live free, you should buy a Florida van life.